Welcome back to the Ballard Design YouTube channel. My name is Anna Page, and today we are talking about the art of styling a bookshelf. We're going to start by laying out the base of each shelf, which of course should be with books.
Putting each stack of 2 or 3 books across the shelves evenly to create the base for different moments. Each decor piece having a base will let us control height and balance all of the decor pieces we will eventually be adding. We want to keep in mind the height of our different pieces so that it looks cohesive across the bookshelf.
Now that we have a base layout of where our books are going to be, let's add some decorative pieces. So that this doesn't look like it's just the same thing copy and pasted, I'm going to turn these up. But instead of using a traditional bookend, we're going to get a decorative piece to put right here. Large fill pieces like this are great for this kind of project because you can throw a vase filler in them and set them here. But also, if you're wondering where to put those serving pieces that you don't use that often, this is a great option. To match this side, I'm going to stand this section of books up as well, and then add a decorative piece as a bookend. I don't want this top shelf looking too overwhelming height-wise, so we're going to add something a little bit shorter to balance out the height but still fill up the space. And then to match that, we'll add something taller here. When you have this much space that you're decorating, I think it's important to find a few themes throughout that keep everything looking cohesive. And with this much stuff all in one space, keeping it from looking cluttered. I positioned the plants in this space to where you kind of went at a zigzag. Everything is kind of light at the top and then spreads out towards the bottom. Finding a bookcase takes a lot of trial and error, a lot of going to the other side of the room, coming back, tweaking, doing that 100 times. But using those few tips, you should have a great setup. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ballard's YouTube channel so you can get more content like this.